Today, I want to talk about Bitcoin. Bitcoin prices just dipped more than 20% in the past 4 weeks after the prices make all-time high above 120K. So what happened there? And I think for both buyers, traders, sellers, I think the question is how far can this correction goes and can we find a bottom? Is it the buying opportunities? So I think today I want to take a bit closer look into technical chart and see if we can find any clues from the technical analysis. So let's have a look at this daily chart here. As you can see, I think number one that I want to highlight a couple of the key indicators that showing this is probably a more popular sentiment shift rather a brief correction for the prices. Number one indicator is that the prices now has dipped below 200 days moving average. I think that's often a long-term bear term signs that we often see for access to getting into another phase of the price volatility. Another one is that the prices also dip below the head shoulder pattern, which I put in highlight the purple line here. Now we do see the price is trying to find the support from this long-term trend line, which is a dash line here I'm putting up here. This is a line that has been valid at place since September 24. So we do expect the 97.3858 will continue to support the prices in the near term. Actually, that's exactly what happened last night. Do seeing the price seems to bounce back from this level. But again, I think that given all the sentiments, including all the simple moving average as well as the RSI all showing that this price is now turning a more beared buyers, I think we cannot rule out the possibility the prices after breaching below this long-term trend line, the possibility for the price to pulling back below 90K, even further down to 87 is also pretty much likely. On the other hand, if we do see expecting the prices to bounce back, a meaningful bounce back, I would expecting the prices have to be concrete, not just the shoulder line here, but also the where this 250 days moving average that meets roughly above 105 as a sign of them showing the prices do expect and ready to bounce back level. On the other hand, another reference you can probably refer to is the price patterns that has showing back into early this year from January 2025 to April, and we do see the prices now getting into towards a bit of the later phase, which I circle up here as once the price dipping below the 200-day simple moving average, they still have a couple of rooms to move, but it also shows that it's not that far from the bottom. And in the previous case, the price dipping roughly about 28%. And today, if you've seen the price pulling back to this line at 87K, there will be roughly about 30%. And so that will be quite of the similar patterns as something that you can probably reference to. So yeah, that's it today's reference, the technical analysis for the Bitcoin. So for any buyer and traders, please definitely keep close eye on this trend line here as quite a strong indicator. But of course, risk management is the top priority as Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies also often showing quite extreme volatilities and something that you have to always keep in mind.